The ornamental grass that I planted back in August has done very well. There's a lot of new growth coming up from the base, which means they have taken, and that's wonderful. But as you can see, the weeds have started to come through already, and we'll worry about that in the spring. Fall is definitely here now. Today we're going to be in the mid-60s. By the end of the week we will be lucky to be in the mid-40s. So today we are going to enjoy the sunshine and this beautiful weather. See here, I did get this wall finished. It's kind of buried now with the leaves. And next year, next spring, I have a little bit of repairing to do down below. No immediate hurry for that. So it's time to get out here and mulch up these leaves. But there is still plenty more to fall. So if I can get half of them, that's wonderful. Even though the garden was very much neglected this summer due to the building of the wall, most of the stuff grew very nice. This patch of ornamental grass has probably tripled in size from the spring. But a sure sign of fall is the hostas. They just cannot stand the cold weather, and they are about shot, as is most of the other stuff in the backyard.
Please take a second to comment, subscribe, ring the bell to get notices of new videos, and please give a thumbs up.